Hello everybody, this is Ali here. Today I got a mini project where I have the stock pegs and I kind of went ahead and took out the other side. As you can see, this side, the right side, the foot peg kind of broke, and I got the bike in this condition, this XSR 900. I got it in this condition, so what I'm doing now is I got some eBay rear sets. Okay, let's go on to the other side. I kind of started already. I wanted to record but I forgot to do it, and yeah, now I'm in the middle trying to figure out, because it didn't come with any instructions, and yeah, so we shall see if I manage to figure it out at all, and see you later. Alright guys, it's day 2. I've already finished doing the whole install for the rear sets, and it looks just amazing. Can you just see that, how it blends in with the bike? Almost silver in that area, almost, but yeah, you can see how everything is all perfectly done up. So yeah, that is the end product. I just finished talking all, sorry, not talking, I just finished Loctiting every single bolt so that it doesn't vibrate out while riding. I did a test ride last night before I Loctite everything in place, make sure all the positionings feel good. Okay, now we're spraying some sanitizer to that freaking cockroach. And it does. So yeah, apparently it's Savage brand. I didn't know it was that brand until I got it, but it's all good. Feel good. Pegs are very grippy. Yeah, you can see all the spokes at the peg is very sharp, so my shins gotta be careful. Yeah, everything is pretty well made. I'm just gonna go home and do some more riding. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more XSR 900 mods. Oh yeah, oh my god, what is that? That is not a mod, definitely, but I installed my IU unit sticker. I'm trying to go for a loud color, loud and popping color for this bike. Well, that's all in the future, but we got a fitting IU unit decal. Alright, hope you like it. Here's the cockpit view. Alright, see you next video. Bye bye.